Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to draw an easy cutie elephant. Okay, so for that, what we will need to do, we have to draw a shape like this for his eyes. See how I am doing? Okay, now we will have to add his eyeballs, by which this elephant is going to see us and play with us. Okay, now I am thickening the lines of his eyeballs, by which it will going to look like his eyeballs. Okay, now we are going to add this elephant's trunk. Okay, by which he will going to have water and going to have foods. Okay, now draw it, draw it, draw it. Okay, like this. Now add a few more lines like this for detailing. Yes, like this. See how I am doing? Okay, now it's done. Now we have to add his ears, by which he will going to hear us. Yes, then he will going to play with us. So draw it, draw it, draw it. Yes, like this. Okay, now by this same technique we have to add another ear of him. Okay, see how I am drawing the lines for his ear. Yes, slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, now it's almost done. What we are doing, we are just thickening the lines, by which it will going to look more precise and more beautiful, cause this cute elephant has beautiful and cute ears. Okay, now it's done. You can see how I am adding another lines, by which it will going to look good. Okay, now it's done. Now we have to add a very important part of him. See, I'm drawing his mouth. Okay, by which he will going to talk with us. Okay, almost done. Yes, now we have to add this cute elephant's big tummy. Yes, this elephant has a very big tummy. You can see how big it is. Okay, for this, what we have to do, we have to add a half circle like this for his big tummy. Okay, now I am thickening the lines, by which it will going to look good. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add this elephant's backside. Okay, for this I am going to draw a curvy line like this from his ear portion. Okay, see how I am drawing it. Okay, you also have to draw like this. Okay, now what we are doing, we are going to thickening the lines again, by which it will going to look more good. Okay, now what we are going to add, we have to add his legs. Yes guys, we have to draw his legs, by which this big tummy elephant is going to stand. Okay, you can see how I am drawing it. Okay, now we have to add another leg of this cute elephant like this. Okay, now we have to join these lines with a curvy line like this. See how I am drawing it. Okay, now I am thickening the lines again. Now what we have to do, we have to repeat the same process for creating another leg of this cute elephant. Okay. Okay, now it's almost done. Now I am adding his nails. You can see how big it is. Yes, this cutie elephant has very big nails. Yes, like this. Now what we have to do? We have to add his big hands. Yes, this elephant has very big hands. Okay, now you can see how I am thickening the lines. Yes, now I have to add nails to his hands. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to add another hand of this cutie elephant. Okay, for this we have to draw a straight line, and in the end portion we have to add a curvy line like this. You can see how I am drawing it. Okay, now we have to join it with his big tummy, and after that I am adding another half circle like this to create his arms. Okay, now I added his nails. Okay, the last part we have to add his tails, and voila, our cute elephant is ready to play with us. Yay!